Since 2007, we at the PTW are designing and operating learning factories. Learning factories are an environment for transfer, research and competency development in the production context. The collaboration with Ainak kickstarted while we were looking for an industrial partner for the creation of augmented reality learning factories. In the past, our research in the field of virtual reality learning factories aimed to enable personalized learning in the lean production context. We thought augmented reality shall be a natural next step to solve real-world problems and to improve production systems. That's when we discovered Ainak, who helped us digitize factory layout planning and to improve production systems.
Ainak application allows to visually concept and test your factory plan right there in the shop floor. You can literally walk in the factory layout using either a mobile phone or a tablet. Next, you can see in more detail how the application works and how it has been received by our German partners.
During the project, together with Ainak, we have been able to analyze the basic requirements for factory layout planning in augmented reality. For a factory planner, the unique selling point of this application is the use of a mobile device. We've been able to integrate the feedback of 2 industrial partners as well as the feedback from several test runs here at our process learning factory, ZIP. It turned out that the main use case for this application is the communication of changes in an existing factory environment. Ideas for improvement can be sketched quickly and visualized for holistic factory layout planning.
Ainak ZR Factory Planner brings the factory plans created in your shop floor to the executive boardrooms there anywhere globally for you. You can log in and choose the factory plan parts you want, do any details of the factory plan without any CAD experience, and use your own CAD models which can be optimized for the use of this application.